Wondering how to get H ASCP? I'll walk you through every step with pro tips most miss. Stay to the end if you want to avoid the biggest application mistake. Today's video covers exactly how to get H ASCP certification. You'll learn official requirements, the application flow, and how real lab techs pass. This channel is built for lab pros chasing ASCP success, powered by MLC Academy, the leader in ASCP prep. How to get H ASCP starts with eligibility. You must meet the ASCP board's requirements for education, training, and clinical lab experience. Pick your exam route based on the official ASCP guidelines. Double-check your documents so everything matches ASCP's checklist. Missing proof is the #1 fail point. Education from NACLS, CAHEP, or APES programs is valid for 5 years. Common myth: you can't change your route after applying. Once submitted, your route and category are locked for that attempt. Application fees are non-refundable, so read carefully before you hit apply. Exams use computer adaptive testing, meaning questions get harder as you answer correctly. Pass/fail is determined by scoring above the pass point, not by percentage. Study with official ASCP content outlines for the H exam. MLC Academy helps thousands of lab professionals pass with live classes, video lessons, study guides, and QBanks. Ready to recap? To get H ASCP certification, check your eligibility, prepare your documents, choose your route, pay the fee, and study the exam outline. Explore the MLC Academy platform for your next level of prep. Next video, ASCPH exam, subscribe or check the channel for that deep dive.